to this amazing video. Here representing Fidgets. And we are going to have the skateboard with a bit. Yep, neonate skateboarding. Hold that baby tight or she will die. She will not die. She'll just like it. Okay guys, this is going to be very extreme. Not really. JK. I won't try to. Oh, this is not the main part of the video, by the way, guys. Good music. Leave down in the comments below if you like that video. I mean, my voice. Guys, okay, we're going to start doing this thing where you guys suggest what we do in a video. That looks fun. And please don't say the playroom. I have it on my PS4, but you need something to do it. Well, I wanted to start doing it. And so, please, if you like our survival evolve, you can suggest that. There's only many things you can suggest, and one of the things you can't suggest is the PC, because we don't got one. Sorry about that. But we do got Minecraft. We do have a PC, but it's not ours. It's our grandma's. Okay, guys. Back to the skateboard. Okay, go. Run, baby. Skateboarding on my turn. On a wheel. I just do a wheel on the side. Okay. I'm going all the way back there. So I get the spotlight now. Oh, do a side angle. Look at Fidgets. She's like, I wish I was on that thing again. Oh, I just got the greatest idea ever. I got the greatest idea ever. And what is that greatest idea? If I hold Fidgets right here while I'm skateboarding, it'll look like she's skateboarding.
Pause. Stop. Hold on, I need to get in the front. Stop. Please stop moving.
Oh, sorry. Does she look like she's moving it? She's a mastermind. She's going at 400 miles an hour. It looks really slow, but it's happening. Yeah. Well, guys, I think that's enough for today. It's not. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to race toward you guys and do a jump. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, suggest what we should do next video. Okay, guys? We'll be looking in the comments. So, see you guys later. Peace.